and welcome students. My name is Shampa. Today we are going to study pie charts. Have you ever seen a graph like this where there is a big circle and there are sectors, and it represents the relationship between the whole and its parts. These are called circle graphs, or simply we can say pie charts. Say there's a situation, there's a student, and we want to know, he wants to assess his productivity of the whole day. So he has made a pie chart, and there are 24 hours in a day. He divided the amount he spends in sleep, doing homework, going to school and coming back, the time spent in school, playtime, and the other activities, miscellaneous activities. So he wants a pictorial diagram so that he can assess how much time he is productive and how much time he is sleeping, how much time he has for leisure. So he made a pie chart like this. Now let's understand how to make a pie chart. A pie chart are circle graphs that shows the relationship between the whole entity and its parts. Say in this example, the whole entity is the time, that is 24 hours. And he devotes some time for sleeping, some time for doing the homework, going to school and coming back, playtime, and miscellaneous activities. So he devotes some hours doing these activities. So these hours have been divided into various sectors. We know if there is a circle and there is a center of the circle, if we draw two radius, the area enclosed by it is called a sector. So a big circle is divided into sectors. Now the question is, let's understand how to draw a pie chart. We will understand it with the help of one example. Now there is a bakery shop, and the sales in rupees, how much sale has been made in the bakery shop, is given below. Bread 320, fruit bread 80, cakes 160, biscuit 120, and some other expenses amount to rupees 40. Now let's total it. We will get the total sale in the day is rupees 720. Now he wants to understand what is the maximum sale, for which item he received maximum sale. So he will make a pie chart. We know the total sale he made is 720. And these are the bifurcations of the various products, the sale of various products. Now, first thing we will do is we will find a central angle. Now, this is a new term. What is a central angle? Let's understand. Now, the sale of the ordinary bread is rupees 320. So, out of 720, he earned 320. So we can convert it into proper fractions. We will get 4 by 9. This is the standard form of the fraction. Now we know that in a circle, the angle around a point is 360 degree. So we need 4 by 9th part of the circle. We are going to construct a circle, and 4 by 9th part of the circle will be consumed by this ordinary bread, will be occupied by this ordinary bread. So we will multiply 4 by 9 to 360. And here we have 160 degree. That was easy. Let's do the rest of the products this way. Now this is sorted. If you add them all, you will see you will get 360 degree. Let's add them. 160 plus 60 is 220 plus 80 is 300 plus 40 340, and then we have plus 20 360. This is surely going to happen because these are actually parts of the whole angle, that is 360 degree. And these will be the measures, the small measurement of the sectors. So let's understand how to make the pie chart. First thing we will do is we will write the central angle that we just calculated, and we will draw a circle of any radius that is convenient to us. And then this is the center. From the center, draw the radius. Here we have the radius, and the first angle we have is, first central angle is 160 degree. We will construct this with the help of this protractor. Let's mark 160. It's an obtuse angle, we know that. Mark the point here, and here is the center of the circle, and the point is here. Just extend it conveniently. So this part is consumed by ordinary bread. And now let's make the sector for fruit bread. What we are going to do is, we have this protractor. We will place it on this arm of the sector, like this. See the way I'm doing it. This part should be placed on this center of the circle, and this line should be there on this arm. Okay, place it gently, and we know the central angle for the fruit bread is 40 degrees. So let's mark it here, and let's join them. We have actually joined these 2 points and extended this one. Now the next angle in the loop is cakes. So again we will repeat the process. Just observe what I'm doing is this part over this part, and this line over this line, like this. And biscuits consume an angle of 80 degree, right? Mark an angle of 80 degree here. Join the center of the circle and this point. So here we have sectors for ordinary bread, fruit bread, and biscuits. So the remaining angle we are left behind is, the remaining part that is left behind is 80 degree. And the remaining sectors that we have not yet constructed are the sectors meant for cakes. It was 80 degree. I'm sorry about that. So the remaining sector is 80 degree, and we will use this sector. The remaining part that is left behind is this and this. So let's construct an angle of 60 degree. The same way we did it last time. This part will be consumed by the biscuits. $60, and this part is meant for biscuits. Last time I wrote biscuits here. That was wrong. I corrected it. This part will be consumed by biscuits, this sector. And the remaining sector, you don't have to measure it or make it. It is naturally going to be 20 degree, and this part is for other sales, some drinks or tea, maybe something like that. Well, this is our circle, and now this has been divided into different sectors representing the sale made by different sectors. Now, in this case, how is this pie chart going to help him? In this case, he will know the maximum sale he receives is from ordinary bread. So he will focus on producing more ordinary bread, or maybe he might think that he needs to improve his sale in cakes and fruit bread. So he will try to improve the quality, something like that. So pie charts like this are helpful this way. So that was easy.